Hi, Jamie Kirk here, Area Sales Manager for Willerby. I'd like to show you around our Martin. It's a 34 by 12 two-bed model and it is a centre lounge. Now before we go in, this has got the single door on the side. It's the only entrance that you get in, but there is an option that you can have outlook, so it's a double door there that you can have coming out. So come on in and I'll show you. So in the word centre lounge, it means exactly what it says. The lounge is in the centre. So walking in here, as you can see, it's got the C-shaped seating, so bags of room for the family. Walking through, you can see it is lino throughout the kitchen, lounge and dining room there. So easy maintenance for all those messy pups and kids that come in with their dirty boots. Now the great thing with this one is you've got the bedrooms at either side. So coming through here at the moment, the first little cubby hole in here, I'll just have a wee look in there. That has got the gas central heating Valent option boiler, and you could put a washer dryer in there if you so choose. Coming through into the master bedroom, double. So bags of space, folks, absolutely bags. But the beauty with this is onto an ensuite bathroom as well, which is really, really quirky. As you see, loads of space and ample cupboard space to put your clothes and bits and bobs in there too. So coming through here, folks, into the kitchen area, plenty of room to do your prep. So optional extras that are here, folks, is you've got the integrated fridge freezer, which is an option. The cooker hood extractor is an option, and the extractor fans to both bathrooms are optional extras too. If you wanted to have a microwave integrated, you know, we can do that for you as well. This is our entry level, the Martin, which is based upon our Mistral Special. But as you can see, more than ample space to do all your dining needs. Now coming through into the master bathroom, as you can see, just off the twin. It also has a shower, toilet and sink. Then coming into the twin, yet again, ample room for the twin beds. You could, if you wanted, to take the bedside cabinet away and slide them together if you wanted a double. And again, ample cupboard and storage space for all your clothes, etc. So this is our Martin model. I hope you've enjoyed our little walkthrough. See you all soon.